Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos without watermark. That videos that potentially some of you will be using for dropshipping as well. So let's dive in. First thing, you want to launch the TikTok app. You want to scroll through your feed. Let's say we want to download this video, right? You want to click on the arrow over here under the comment section. You get three menus popping out. You see 1, 2, 3. You want to click on the second one over here and you want to click on the blue icon, copy link. Okay, and I want you to head on Google Chrome and I want you to look for this app over here. It's called Snaptik. Snaptik will offer you downloading videos for free without watermark. You want to click on Snaptik. You want to hit this search box, right? And I want you to paste the link that we just copied. Then I want to hit paste. Then you click download. As you can see, the app processed very fast the actual video, and you have two options over here to download in different qualities. I just want to give you a quick heads up. Be very careful where you're clicking, okay? Make sure that you click on the right button over here. But this is how you download for free videos from TikTok without watermark. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.